I'm Ashley King. I'm a project officer at Savannah NRM. The project I'm working on is Together for Country Weed Control Program. It is a supporting and collaborating project working with Indigenous rangers to identify 100-hectare weed management zones on country. So we're out on Kondaparinga Station. We have been supporting and coordinating with the Djungan Rangers. The effort is to bring ranger groups together to lead and coordinate weed surveillance and control measures on high priority species within the region. A key focus is to bring Indigenous knowledge while also gathering aerial data for future management. A healthy country would look like one where the natural systems are functioning the way they should. You'd see strong native vegetation, good ground cover, and a diversity of species across the landscapes, from plants through to wildlife. It feels purposeful, and it's also very special. It feels very special to connect with the rangers, to also see them really building capacity amongst themselves and getting out on country and really learning about country and what defines what healthy is on country. So it's been a really exciting, beautiful experience to be able to engage and connect and really come together to work towards an impactful project. A highlight would be to see capacity building amongst the ranger groups. For instance, today we did some photo point monitoring, which was the first time that all of the rangers had done photo point monitoring points. So it was really great to see how much excitement, enthusiasm, and confidence it would give them to be able to care for country. And so that for me is a personal highlight, or something that I feel very privileged to be a part of. It's purposeful for the rangers, so it's given me a sense of purpose as well, that I can be a part of something like that. It's very honouring.